Hi guys, I'm gonna take a very rash decision today and dye my hair red. Just to let you know, this is fully virgin about my waist hair that I've been growing for 2 years, and I'm gonna use products from Birds of Paradise. I hope it's good. I'm not gonna do like my whole hair. I'm gonna do like till here. I'm so excited. Let's go. I am ready. I'm so ready. I'm gonna mix it in here. Oh my god, why does like the brightening is so damn not right? Lock it. It did not get locked. Okay, so I'm gonna use this thing. This is like an old container or something for mixing of the color. So first of all, the color is not mine alone, it's like my friend's and mine. She used like a little bit of it. This is the developer. I think this uses hydrogen peroxide, which is a lightening agent. It is a lightening agent. It is kind of like a bleach, so if you really are cautious of bleach, I won't really recommend it. I would recommend blunt. It's pretty good. I've heard pretty good reviews about it. I haven't myself bought it because I first heard of Birds of Paradise, so I wanted to try this one as my first. This is like the state of the conditioner. My friend has short hair. I have very long hair. It goes like here, so you get like the difference. Okay, so this is this is the after conditioner. Use just after. I think I'm gonna have to shampoo after this. That is why after coming from school I did not shower, so I look dead inside. A shower always gets me fresh and open and very happy. So where did I put the cotton foil? Okay, here we go. We have aluminum foil. My mom knows about this. Knows about it, that I'm gonna color my hair. This is like, I've never thought about coloring my hair, so this kind of surprised me as well as it did to my mom. My mom was quite surprised that, oh my god, you want to color your hair? You? And I'm like, yep, mommy, sup, me, your new daughter. Look at this. Can someone say what the hell this is? I think this, for the first use, this much will be enough. Okay, I'll place it like here. I haven't even mixed the freaking color and developer, so this is the brush. This is now pink. It was white. Where is the glove? Oh yes, it's inside. This is the glove. We do get like this. This is after 2 weeks anti-fade conditioner, and I'm gonna use it after 2 weeks. I'm gonna give it to my friends first so it doesn't like end. Okay, so first of all, I'm not gonna use the whole thing because my friend still wants a little more of this, so I'm gonna use like half of what came. Okay, because my hair is long, I need this, I really do. And this is cherry coke. I'm so pumped for this. Okay, so first, no way, wait, I need like a description for this. Okay, let's start. Put on the gloves included in the pack. I'm gonna put on the gloves first. It's scary, bombastically. The two gloves. They gave two of the gloves. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm getting goosebumps thinking about it. I think my mom is okay with it, but my other family members, they're not going to be okay with it. And I'm whatever. My hair, I don't want to damage it though. But hey, like you cannot always fear about damaging your hair. I really, really do want a normal teenage experience. I cannot always be a goody two shoes. And yeah, it's so freaking noisy. It's going to annoy me the whole way. Let's make this concussion. Okay, so this looks like it's so little. I'm scared. I'm freaking scared. Okay. I did not read the freaking manual. It's not coming out. Fuck, come on. Open my hair. I can't use this again. Last look at my virgin freaking hair. I'm so gonna miss it. Okay, so I'm kind of a chatty little girl, so I don't want you to get bored by my thinking and talking, but I'll give you like a backup that it did shine through. The color did shine through. In the morning, in the sunlight, it was gorgeous. I was getting compliments left and right. It was like, oh my god, you look like it's done in a salon when it's my first time box dyeing my hair, my own hair. And the conditioner, oh my god, I cannot stop complimenting it. It's such a good conditioner. It gave my hair this flowy, red, flowing look. So, part 2 will not be coming that soon because I love this subtle look for my first time, but it will be coming because I do want like a darker color. I want my color to emerge a little more. So, yes, let's go. And I'm a little chatty, so I think I'll just add music. I'll buy some more later on. I'll buy some more. And this time, like my own. I gotta wash these sheets. I'm gonna go wash. I'll tell you when it's ready. Okay, honey? Bye. Hello, welcome. Again, it's the day after the coloring, and let me know if you see any color because I cannot see anything. Like, do you see that? That's like a little red. It looks a lot like a little more reddish than it does on camera. I will tell you that. But this is all the red I get. This is all like a red I freaking get after I let it marinate for an hour. And I did not cheap out on the product. I used a lot of products. So you can see like little red hues, but it's not the result I was expecting. A little more redder would have been nice. But I saw a lot of YouTube videos that's saying to achieve like a little darker, I'll have to apply more. So maybe in next month I'll buy another packet and stay tuned for part 2, okay? Part 2 will be here. So for now, this is my result. I'll like put the pictures of what my hair looked like right after. It looked like literally I couldn't see anything. Now I see something, but it's not up to the par, up to my expectations. So I'll redo this. I'll do it again. So this video, it was not much of anything, I guess. So bye.